Very brand new. Brand new intersection, Alder Creek Pkwy, East Bidwell Street. Put in like 5 months ago. Over here is a Polara iNS button.
Wait. Wait.
It's not programmed. Going off pretty soon. A new rapid tick. Same one on this side.
Wait.
Some tripping, clicking. This one.
Wait. 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 Wait.
Same rapid tick. These are brand new Polara iNS buttons. Then they also built that plaza 5 months ago too. Chevron station's going to be opening up pretty soon. And they put these in. This used to be just a stoplight and an old road, but then they built this and put these in.
Wait. Wait.
Let's go to this one.
Wait. Wait.
Same chirping and clicking sound. And chirp, click, whatever. Wait for this one to go off. Yeah, they're also building lots of new houses around this place too. One on this side.
Wait.
And this one.
Wait. 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 Wait.
Just this wait and then the chirping sound. So clicking. It's just like Missouri Flat Road and Headington Road. Except those are Polara IDS buttons and these are Polara iNS because you can't wave your hand at these, but you can wave your hand at those. And this one.
Wait.
Yeah, these are really cool Polara iNS ones. I'm gonna go to a different intersection now. See ya.